Oh, BC, wow, look at it! Look at it! BC Road! Wow. How did it game in the BC Road and became in Texas? The big game and became how it came in a BC Road, it came in Magnolia, Texas. I just saw 7434 new GEVO like in last month. So today, picking the kids on this first day of school, I started this morning because all these kids on it. The kids started at school area. So we came in the Magnolia, Texas again, and it's on Magnolia State. All the bus drivers are who that was. Had been to it before. Wow, I said that before BC Railway, I became Magnolia, Texas.